guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter Hannah. If you don't know, she's got her own YouTube channel.
it's what's it called? Boo Caramel.
Hannah's channel is Boo Caramel, so head on over to her channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and all the rest. You guys know what to do anyway.
Subscribe to her channel.
Anyway, we are doing a mum does daughter's makeup and daughter does mum's makeup.
So today I have my lovely mum here because I'm going to be doing her makeup. She's actually just finished doing mine, so now it's my turn to do hers. So she's not allowed to know any products that I'm going to use. I'm just going to go in and just have full free range. Is that what you say?
Free hand
With her face.
Yeah.
So let me just go in straight onto what I'm going to use. The first thing I'm going to use is the MUA Pro Base Smooth and Set Primer Stick.
Oh, this is your new one.
This is my new, it's Lush.
How much was this one?
£5, £4 or £5. And I'm just going to go into Katie's. Sorry, I call her Katie. Just going to go into her T-zone area.
Does it like put a colour on there?
No. Doesn't put colour on there. Just literally smooth. What was I going to say? Don't know if it's going to sweet your face. That's what I'm joking, babe. So this, I'm using the 4-hour.
That was sent to me by Fran.
That was sent to Katie by Fran.
Thank you, Fran.
And I do remember with this product, like you have to work in it quite quickly because otherwise it starts to am I going to sink in? It starts to dry out quite quickly.
Should we give our ages? To quite appropriate too, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm 28.
And I'm going to be 62 in a few weeks.
You are. That's Katie's first step done of her foundation. Look at that with me. Straight on. I will do a straight line. It's weird because obviously my nose isn't as long. Do you know what I mean? It's like
She's going.
that one. And now I've got to do the eyebrows. So I'm going to do her eyebrows. What I tend to do is I always put it onto the back of my hand and then I like mark it. And this side's got a little brush thing. I'm going to get the excess that I've got on the back of my hand and then
Try and find some hair.
just find some hair just to go.
Mine, I plucked them within an inch of their life when I was younger, time and time again, like we did back then. And
have you seen the new trend that's going down where it's the curly eyelashes?
oh, what do you mean? What do you mean, curly eyelashes? If you want your eyelashes to be curled upwards, but
No, I like cows, like a palm.
really.
And then I am just going to take a little bit of this because it might be a bit dark, but some banana powder.
Banana powder.
Some banana powder. Look up, please. MUA Makeup Revolution, I find are generally the best high street products, especially when it comes to Superdrug.
I quite fancy one of the, is it Makeup Revolution that do the, like the chocolate palettes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like
especially in Superdrug in Fairham, that Cascades, the way they've got it displayed is so nice.
I really would like a couple of the chocolate palettes.
Then I'm going to I'm going to contour and blush. I'm going to contour and blush. I don't like the smacking it. On camera, it looks lovely.
Yeah.
In person, it doesn't.
Yeah, but I haven't done yours nasty, today.
No.
But I know what you mean.
But
a lot of people have like the defining line.
Yeah, I don't like
where
that.
It's like contour, highlight, blush.
So now I'm just going to take this from Primark. It smells of peaches, and then and then your eyebrows look so dramatic, and we need to sort them up in a minute. And then just to make everything look not so in your face, I'm just going to take off the excess. You put your head straight down at me. I'm going to break your neck then. Your eyebrows are going.
Are they really bad?
They are really bad.
I can't even see them because I've got glasses on. Maybe that's a good thing.
Keep them off.
It might be nice just to have dramatic eyebrows.
I need to sort
Hair keeps
and if you feel like your eyebrows are ever like dramatic, just get one of these brushes and just go over
rub
it.
it out. Rub it out. Rub the edges.
Just go over it and sort it out. Not, I don't know how people find all this enjoyable though. Then I am going to take my pick it up from Douglas. Then I'm going to take my no, let me just sort your eyebrow to a sec. what I mean? You could be at eyebrows all day, couldn't you?
Yeah,
Really?
there comes a point you just
Yeah, I'm just
do you know what, they're sisters, not twins.
You right then? Let that sink
Oh,
in.
that feels nice. What's that
So
one?
this is the oil
Makeup
control.
Revolution.
Makeup Revolution, the oil control. And they've got loads of other ones. They have as well a primer that's got tea tree in it, which if you do suffer from blackheads or oily skin, I would say as well the primer with tea tree would be quite good. But they didn't have it when I had to get it. And then I'm just going to take eyelash colours.
Maybe don't get the skin, no wrinkles.
So I'll just see.
I didn't do brush actually. I've lost my pad a bit. Oh wow, look at this one.
Am I getting the skin?
That's
Am I getting your skin?
yeah.
I can tell you tense.
When your eyes go baggy.
Can you not do that? You know, try and relax. Yeah? Am I getting your skin?
It's alright, don't worry
And then I'm going to go with Mini Bad Girl with half what this is quite a good alternative in it, 11 quid. Not bad as paying full
Which is
price.
this one?
The Bad Girl. Benefit.
Yeah. Because it's a small one.
Yeah, it was £11
Yeah.
because it's like the hat minis. So I think if you want to try mascara but you don't really want to pay the big price, can you blink as I roll up? Slowly. Oh, that would be a really good beautician. Didn't know that you're not doing that slowly. Just ruined my whole look. She ruined my whole look. But don't we? That would do. Now I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of highlight, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. And then I'll just take my beauty blender again, squeeze it at an angle. I love this beauty blender. There's so much stuff in it. Chris is going to be lucky boy tonight. Is it really pretty though?
No, it's not.
And then I'm just going to put a lip liner on. Do that. Oh, good, good. We're the new norm. We were the new norm.
Yeah. Your subscribers are growing though.
Not really.
Yeah, they are.
Not really. And it keeps going from 190 to 120 for like ages.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
And one of my vlogs, one of them's got like 1,600 views, and I'm just thinking, please just subscribe to me and help me lip pump. By the way, this is a good lip pumper. I love this lip pumper. Which one's that? The XXL. Starts to get working, okay.
Do I have a lipstick?
Oh, it's literally the one that only lip plumpers I've known to literally work straight away as soon as you put it onto your lips. And for £5, but you can't get it. I've not seen it in Superdrug. I had to get it from Lip Fantastic. I couldn't even find it on the Superdrug website.
too much now. I could.
Oh, your lips have got bigger.
Have they?
Your top one.
But I was feeling it on the bottom a bit, not the top. There you go.
Yeah, your top one will look at your lips there. Sorry.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, so this is. Oh, your eyebrows. You look like a little. Can we take your head down?
What?
So everything's not so dramatic.
Am I done?
I
Am my face
I
done?
thought you looked quite. You definitely look like me. Oh God.
Oh,
I
look.
like your.
Oh, what's my
your
hair?
eye. Yeah, but you look like me. No, I like your hair like that. Your eyebrows are a bit smack bang like for you, but I feel like you look quite nice.
Oh, I think I look. Do I look
No.
No.
I think you
I
don't know.
don't.
You
My hair.
No.
Right guys, so this is how my makeup's looking. I'm not 100% sure. Hannah wants my hair like this. I feel like
it.
a bit weird with it like this. I really don't know what to say. I don't know if I like it or not.
I like
It's
it.
because
It's
it's
different.
different, isn't it? It's because it's different. My lips are actually really burning now. With that lip stuff, they're really burning. But yeah, let me know what you think. So this is Hannah doing my makeup. If you've enjoyed this type of a video, please subscribe to my channel. Just press that little bell for more notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to go on over to Hannah's YouTube channel, Boo Caramel, and show her some love as well. And if you like this sort of a video and you want to see more of this type of a thing, us doing, whether it's buying clothes for each other or whatever, just write down in the comments below. So, talk to you all in the next one. Bye! I'm doing Hannah's makeup now. Now, we're using our own makeup on each other. The only thing that I'm using on Hannah that's her own is her foundation. Everything else she doesn't get a say in, and to be fair, I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. It's going to be like this whole work in progress, blank canvas, let's see what we can do with it type of a thing. Got it back, no. So this is, it's, wow. This is by Wow, and it's actually to cover up like greys on your hair.